Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and for today's vlog, we're going to cook sweet and sour fish. So ito guys ang aking ingredients. Meron akong cornstarch, light soy sauce, salt, black pepper, 3 calamansi, tomatoes, chili, garlic, the carrots, parsley and spring onion. I have green beans here and chicken broth. So first guys, we're going to deep fry our fish. But before that, yan, be sure guys na ang isda ay dry. Para madaling maluto, we're going to cut the fish. Yan.
Then marinate it with salt,
So even the black pepper, ayun guys.
and for the sauce, add the light soy sauce, Thai sweet chili sauce, and the tomato ketchup into the chicken broth.
Guys, depende po kung gaano kalaki yung isda. Kasi kung maliit lang yan, konti lang yung gagawin ninyo.
Then mix the brown sugar, cornstarch, and squeeze 2 calamansi into the sauce. Mix well and set aside, then let's fry the fish.
Sure na mainit po yung mantika. Look at that guys. Ang ganda yung pagkakaprito ng isda. Okay guys, you need to drain away the oil.
And for the sauce, salt the garlic, then fry the carrots and the green peas together and let it cook. Then adding a little bit of water, let it simmer for about 2 minutes before adding the bell pepper, tomatoes, and add a little bit of salt and black pepper.
Last, we're going to add the sauce.
Let it simmer for another 2 minutes. Then try the taste. The taste, it should be a little bit sweet and sour, and it should be sticky. Lastly, add the chili.
And ipo-pour natin ito sa taas ng pasta. Ito guys, lalagay natin dito sa taas ng spring onion at saka yung parsley. This is my sweet and sour fish. So ayan guys, ito na ang aking sweet and sour fish. And please check on my upcoming video guys, because every day I'm going to do vlogging until December 25. Yan guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. Thanks for watching! Bye!